Sleep is one of the major activities everybody does. It is one of the most uninterrupted activity. So here we're going to see some of the simple stretches, and also we're going to see a few of the breathing techniques that helps calm your mind down, your nervous system, that can give you a deep rest. Now let's stand erect with both your feet hip width, weight equally balanced on both your feet. Breathe in, take both your hands up, stretch from your waist, stretch your hands away from the body, keep stretching up. And slowly as you breathe out, push your hips to the back, stretch forward, keep your spine erect, and slowly come down as much as you can, and relax yourself down here in the Hasta Padasana. Feel the blood rushing to your head. Stay here for some time. Keep breathing and slowly breathe in. Once again, come back up and breathe out and relax. Now breathe in, look up, push your lower back down, navel down, and breathe out. Squeeze your stomach, arch your upper back, bring your chin to the chest. Slowly breathe in, come back to the middle, breathe out, slowly slide back into the child's pose. And stretch to the front and your buttocks gently resting on your hips. Make sure the buttocks does not rise up. Breathe in, rise up into the Sphinx posture. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Keep breathing. Once again, breathe in, lift both your legs up. Stay there, feel the nice strengthening in your lower back. And breathe out, relax your legs. And gently exhale, bring your body down. Breathe in, bend your left knee and the right knee. Breathe out, place your right foot over the left knee. Once again, breathe in. And as you breathe out, gently tilt your lower body towards your left side and look towards your right palm. Stay there, keep breathing. Once again, breathe in, come back to the middle, and as you breathe out, drop your legs to the right side and look towards your left side. Keep breathing. Relax your body. Once again, breathe in, slowly come back up. As you breathe out, bring your right leg down. Like a baby, happy baby, let's start rocking back and front, back and front, along with the breath. This is a very happy posture. You will know it the moment you do it. And come back up and see if you can hold the posture, stretch your legs out. Bring your feet together for the butterfly. See if you can pull your heels close to the groin. Keep your spine erect. And slowly start flapping your knees up and down along with your breath. This nicely loosens up your hips. Now slowly bring your right foot a little up. Let's give a nice foot massage with the thumbs. Let's start with the toes. First all the 5 toes and slowly all the way down to the heels and the outsides of your feet. You will enjoy this. This relaxes all the organs inside. Once you finish your massage, there are 2-3 breathing techniques that you can do. The first is Brahmari pranayama. Brahmari pranayama creates a gentle, nice, soothing effect on your entire nervous system. The little fingers gently touching the chin, the ring finger on the upper lip, the middle finger on the outsides of your nose, and the index finger on the eyes. Of course, you have to close your eyes. And with the thumb, you gently close the ear cartilage. You see the small ear cartilage here? You gently close the ear cartilage. And in Brahmari, we make the sound. So how do we do it? We take a deep breath in Gently press all the 5 fingers inwards. And as you breathe out, let's make the sound. Once you finish your Brahmari pranayam, you can lie down on your bed and we'll do few rounds of Ujjayi breathing. It's exactly how we breathe normally, only that we breathe in and out with more emphasis on the throat. When you breathe, keeping your focus on your throat, squeezed it, you may hear this. Make the breath as long and slow as you can. So practicing this over a period of time makes the sleep quality better. And of course, if you learn the Sudarshan Kriya, again, it gives you a very deep rest and the quality of sleep is much, much better.
If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, comment and share. Subscribe to this channel for more.